Welcome to the Hemoscope TEG Analyzer training session. This section introduces the specific parts of the TEG machine that will be referred to throughout this video. There is a leveling bubble located on the top of the analyzer. To center the air bubble in the middle circle of the clear plastic cover, adjust the machine's leveling by using the analyzer's 2 front feet and 1 back foot. On the front of the analyzer, you can find the green power switch and the yellow motor switch. The carrier is the white plastic piece that slides up and down the metal poles. The cup well is the metal cup located in the center of the carrier. The lever positions of eject, load, and test are indicated with arrows on the front cover. The platform is the tray located on the bottom front of the machine under the carriers. This section demonstrates how to run a blood sample. First, load the cups and pins. Make sure that the carrier is resting on the platform and that the lever is in the load position. Lift out a cup with the pin inside it from the styrofoam tray and place it in the cup well. Check that the disposable pin is standing straight up in the cup, and then carefully slide the carrier all the way up to the column. While resting one hand on top of the analyzer, load the plastic pin firmly onto the column by pressing on the plastic pusher located on the bottom of the carrier with your other hand. Slide the carrier down towards the platform, and then push the cup firmly down so that it rests flush with the carrier. Be sure not to touch the inside of the cup with your fingers. Also be sure that the green and yellow switches are on and that the analyzer is level. At this point, you should be in the TEG screen of the program. Highlight the channel you are going to run. Click on the status bar at the bottom of the screen and enter in your operator ID in the Operator ID field in the Sample tab. You are now ready to run your sample. Pipette 360 microliters of the sample into the TEG cup. Raise the carrier up the poles until it touches the bottom of the column, and then move the lever into the test position. Click on the Start button to begin the test. If you are using a touch screen, you should touch the Start button instead of clicking on it. Click on the Done button to return to the main screen. To view your tracing, highlight the desired channel and click on the Max button. To print your tracing, click on the Report button and follow the instructions on the screen. When terminating a sample, always be sure the test has been terminated on the computer before removing the sample from the TEG machine. If the software has not terminated your sample, you will need to terminate the sample yourself. Highlight the channel you wish to terminate and click on the Stop button. To remove the sample from the TEG machine, first move the lever to the load position, and then press the lever down into the eject position. Slide the carrier down to the platform. Be sure the pin is dropped into the cup. Press the carrier down firmly against the platform so that the plastic pusher on the bottom of the carrier raises the disposable cup out of the cup well. Lift the cup with the pin inside it out of the cup well and dispose of it properly.